In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily mention everyone in Facebook group. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, then go to menu. Here, first off, we need to switch from our main Facebook profile to a page. To do that, tap at that arrow. That will show you your main profile and all of your pages. I'm just gonna choose that one to switch to it. After that, we can create a post in our page. To do that, tap where it says what's on your mind. Then just enter some text, add any images or maybe videos. I'm just gonna enter test text. And all we have to do in order to mention everyone in that group is just tap at that button, type in @ symbol, and then enter everyone, just like that. After that, we can hit at return, and once we are done with that post, once it is ready to share, all we have to do is just share it, just like that. Once it is shared, everyone in that group will get a notification about that post. That's how you can easily mention everyone in your Facebook group.